Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview developer platform for custom integrations. All right, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this topic at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first step is going to be to access the developer platform, and you can access the developer platform by clicking on the developers button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is going to be to register for a developer account. So you can go ahead and register for a developer account, and that's going to allow you to access the Tradingview API and other developer tools. Step 3 is going to be to use the Tradingview API for custom integration. Now you can go ahead and use the Tradingview's API for custom integration with your own applications or services. And the fourth and final step will be to get support from the Tradingview developer community if you are in need of that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview developer platform for custom integration. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one.